Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products. And the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Purecarrot Bio Balance Soap. Purecarrot Bio Balance Soap is a lightening soap. It aids in the treatment of pigmentation issues, age spots, dark eyes, discoloration amongst others. It is a clarifying agent that softens and unifies your skin. Contains carrot oil, Arbutin and Glutathione as its dominant ingredients, which helps to hydrate dry skin, leaving it soft and silky with a healthy, radiant glow. Purecarrot Bio Balance Soap is a perfect option for the lightening solution you desire. This Purecarrot soap gives the skin perfect lightness, softness, and a gently melting texture. It is enriched with a clarifying agent that unifies your complexion. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.